celebrated annually on June 30, commemorates the whole revolution of 1855 and 56, a significant tribal uprising against the British East India Company, landlords and feudalists, led by Sidhu Kanu and Chand Bhairav of Bhoganadi village. The rebellion marked the first battle of independence. Sidhu's rallying cry, "Do or die, the British leave our soil," galvanized over 50,000 Santals who twice defeated the British army in Pirpanti and Birbhum with traditional weapons. Although Sidhu and Kanu were eventually captured and executed, Hool Kranti Divas honors their bravery and sacrifice, recognizing the revolution's profound impact on British rule in India. Dadabhai Naoroji, a prominent Indian politician, scholar and businessman, passed away on June 30, 1917 in Mumbai. Born on September 4, 1825 in Mumbai, he was the first Indian elected to the British Parliament in 1892 as a Liberal Party candidate. In Parliament, Naoroji advocated for the Indian rights, highlighting the drain of wealth from India and the need for equal employment opportunities and industrialization. A founding member of Indian National Congress established in 1885 alongside Alan Hume and Dinshaw Wacha, he served as Congress President 3 times. Renowned as the great priest of India and the unofficial ambassador of India, Naoroji significantly contributed to India's economic and political landscape. Captain Jintu Gogoi, a valiant officer of the Indian Army's 7th Garhwal Rifles, was martyred on June 30, 1999 during the Kargil War. Born on November 22, 1970 in Jorhat in Assam, he was posthumously awarded the Veer Chakra for his extraordinary bravery. Amid heavy enemy shelling, Captain Gogoi led an important operation to capture an important post at Kala Pathar in Jubar Heights near the line of control in Patalik. On the night of June 29, while advancing, his squad encountered heavy enemy fire, resulting in fierce combat. Despite his injury, Captain Gogoi's leadership and sacrifice were pivotal, securing his legacy as a hero.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। Education glorifies nation.
On June 30, 1937, London introduced the world's first emergency number 999, primarily for women. This number functioned even without a SIM card. The need for such a service arose after a tragic fire on July 7, 1935 resulted in the deaths of 5 women. A neighbor, delayed by a long telephone queue, couldn't reach the fire brigade in time. The 999 number quickly proved its worth by helping catch a criminal, leading to its widespread adoption globally. In India, different emergency numbers include 100 for police, 101 for fire brigade, 102 for ambulance and 108 for multiple emergencies. World Social Media Day is celebrated annually on June 30, initiated by Mashable in 2010 to recognize social media's global impact on communication. The first social media platform, 6 Degrees, was launched in 1997 by Andrew Winrich and had over 1 million users by 2001 before shutting down. Today, social media is essential for personal interaction, business branding, customer engagement, and marketing campaigns. It also plays a crucial role in raising awareness on social issues and driving social change. In India, WhatsApp is the most popular platform with over 480 million users.